In the shadow of the Space Needle, Climate Pledge Arena. So this guy, he's a fan of the Kraken.
Love hockey.
I'm a fan of the food, okay? Anyways, Matt invited us to go. Man, I should have worn mine, but mine's not as cool as yours. This is a cook named Matt.
Climate Pledge Arena.
There you go.
Also known as Key Arena.
Soon you might see his recipes in here. We'll see. Let's see what we can do. You don't even know. I am so jealous. This is the coolest Seattle
I scored the last one.
jersey.
I found him the last one.
Oh yeah. That's a good buy right there. See? All right, so the Kraken, they are gonna feature a whole bunch of food this year, and they want us to try it. So I'm gonna go in here and show you guys what you can expect if you come to a Kraken game and watch some hockey and want to eat some deliciousness, and see what you can order this year, this season. I think this is one of those Amazon Go Starbucks smarts where you don't even need to pay at the cashier because you just scan. So that's kind of cool. There you go. It's beautiful. As you can see, Alaska Airlines is the sponsor of the stadium. That is a cool model. Austin, do you know they rebuilt this whole stadium? They kept the roof. Right? They kept the roof though. That's put it on to joists and then rebuilt the whole bottom, dug out the whole, you know, like ground floor and made it way bigger, but kept the roof. Yeah, me too, because it kept the shape of the original stadium, which was called the Key Arena. That's the original shape of the stadium. That's the Space Needle. First stop, Ballard Pizza Company here. Some legit slices here. This one's called the MVP. This one's called the 522. Wow. Nice. Artichokes, yummers. If you've ever come to Pike Place Market, you know about Piroshky. I guess they're going to be featured at the stadium this year, which is awesome. This is a potato and cheese Piroshky. We've got a smoked salmon pate Piroshky, and then something else that looks amazing. So I'm gonna try a whole bunch of food, but I want to show you guys some of the other things that they're gonna feature. One of the things I love about Seattle sports is they love having delicious food at the games. And of course, Kraken is no exception here at the Climate Pledge Arena. And I heard they're gonna be shucking oysters. All season long, they're gonna be shucking oysters, and of course, we're gonna get to grub on some today. Are you gonna be shucking oysters in this season?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's gonna be unique. I don't think I've ever heard of oysters being at a stadium before. Ooh, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Oh, I guess I'm gonna start eating early. Thank you. Oysters at a stadium. Oh yeah, amazing. All right, tuna bowls. Look at these. Legit. Kimchi cucumbers, seaweed salad, of course a poke, fresh avocado. Yum. I don't know why, but there's something I love about eating food with chopsticks at a stadium. Look at this. Let's try this out. Some rice at the bottom, poke at a stadium. Damn. I love kimchi and cucumbers. Big chunks of avocado at a stadium. So at the poke stand, they also have musubis, of course, spam musubi. How's the poke?
It's very good. It's perfectly light.
Oh, really?
I think so, yeah.
There you go. That's what you're going to be eating this year when you watch the Kraken, okay? Okay, I'm guessing these are some of the snacks, foods, drinks that you can look forward to when you're watching the game. That looks very great, whatever it is, and very delicious. Some pita and hummus. Molly D double burgers. This is a next level hot dog. What's in it? Royal Ranch braised short rib, crispy onions, horseradish cream, sesame hoagie. Yummers. You're gonna eat good if you come to the game. Is it a hot dog?
Yeah, so it's a hot dog on a hoagie roll.
Okay.
We split it,
Yum.
pour it, sear it, and then we do beef short rib in the middle.
Wow. Can I have this one?
Oh yeah, absolutely, go right ahead. And then it's a horseradish crema.
Okay. Crispy onions?
Oh yeah, fried onions that we do in house, and then some fried carrot top on top.
Ooh, thank you very much.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Good thing I'm working out later. Not that I really care. I'm just here to eat a Kraken hot dog. That's a meal in itself. The short ribs with the hot dog. Yeah, that's delicious. Is this how you guys cook it in the stadium? This is fancy. This is like a Japanese grill.
Oh, yeah, so
that's
it's
cool.
charcoal that
Yeah.
we do, and then we'll just
Wow.
that,
In the
so-
sweets then, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. So if you don't know, Seattle is known for teriyaki. We got teriyaki chicken here at the stadium. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and try one of these. Teriyaki chicken. Now, a basic teriyaki chicken is whatever. It's kind of like Seattle's fast food, but an elevated one, I'm for it. Let's try it out. I like these little green onions they have on there. It looks marinated. Well, I can say this for sure. This is definitely not an average teriyaki. So I'm guessing that this is marinated, but just that flavor on the outside because of the charring. Inside you got some really moist chicken in there. I can't eat too much rice though because I'm getting full fast right now. I love how I just like see you at different places eating different food. What are you eating now?
This is one of the burgers.
Let me see.
It's like a bacon burger.
Once in a while you spot Matt around the city.
You tried the pizza yet?
No, but did you try the teriyaki yet?
No, where's that?
They're over there, this is chicken teriyaki. I know, right? I'm like already full. And I ate at the Wajimaya earlier. This is called the Impossible Chili. I'm guessing with impossible meat in it. Some kind of cornbread. I'm gonna skip this, but I bet you for those meatless people, delicious. One of my favorite stadium foods is nachos. And you better believe they got some nachos here. Look at that. Media nachos. Oaxaca, jalapeno, cilantro, pickled onions. Some delicious looking meat. Okay, nachos. Kind of a sucker for nachos. You know what? They have forks here, but honestly, I'm kind of like fingers guy when it comes to my nachos. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh, just like the perfect little bite. Nachos. By the way, when you order, it comes with this bowl right here. The pickled onions. It's my favorite. This is saying a lot, but this might be some of the best nachos I've ever had. At least top 3. At a stadium. I know this seems like a weird thing to vlog, but they're all about recycling and using compost. There's not even a trash bin here. There's a cup return, there's a recycle, and then there's a compost. So everything is compostable. Obviously everything you're using to eat with, compostable. So there you go. That's the whole point of Climate Pledge Arena. They're trying to make everything sustainable, renewable, recyclable. They take it serious here. Lamb gyros, onions, tomatoes, tzatziki sauce, on some kind of pita bread. Oh my gosh, I'm so tempted. I'm getting really, really full. Fried pita chips with some hummus. Good eats here. Got some Indian food here. Pana masala. And butter chicken? What? Butter chicken? I don't think I've never heard of a butter chicken at a game before. Dude, butter chicken. They got butter chicken.
Really?
Yeah. Matt said the pizza's his favorite.
It's my favorite so
Oh,
far.
really?
too.
Yeah. That's an actual Seattle-based pizza shop, the Ballard Pizza Company, I believe. I really should have starved myself for a couple days before coming here because I did eat lunch at the grocery store. Whole nother video if you didn't watch it, but yeah. Can you tell me about this?
So Local Lolly is,
Yeah.
is a desserts.
Okay.
stream.
What is this right here?
So we've got chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. with
Yum.
Buttercream frosting. And then we're doing some soft
Yum. Cookies? Oh my gosh. Those look so perfect, they don't look like cookies. Can I have one of these ice creams?
You sure can. Would you
Are you on the ice cream team or are you on the cupcake team?
Cupcakes.
Cookies? You know what? Since you explained this to me, can I grab that? Okay. Get this. I'm gonna try a cookie. I already know I'm gonna fall asleep after this because that's what sugar does, but I'm guessing these are totally worth it.
Good? Yeah.
This is really good. And where do you get these at the stadium?
So you can find these in the suites, and just kind of around the arena. And then our cupcakes are in concessions as well.
This is bomb. I was not expecting this, honestly. But this, it's funny that I'm all excited about a sugar cookie.
Yeah. Tested and approved.
That's like candy. There's no pressure, but somebody in the background may or may not work with the company. Right? Have you ever had a sugar cookie
I
like
love
that?
a sugar cookie. This is amazing.
That is amazing. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's not like a sugar cookie I've ever had. Normally, like sugar cookies are kind of like They're almost like gimmicky. There you go. Definitely worth the buy, honestly.
Yeah.
Bring some home, that's what I say. Or go to Snohomish. It's about 45 minutes north of Seattle. Worth it. And name of your bakery again? Simply Sweet. I don't know, I have a feeling it's not simple though. I feel like there's some secrets there in that recipe. If you're into cookies, they got you. Serving these cookies at the stadium as well. Hell's Cookies. One of the cool things about this stadium is the fact that they work with local companies, local businesses, and not just in Seattle, just in the outskirts of Seattle. So Snohomish is a city that's kind of in the rural area. Obviously it's a proper city, but it's kind of like a tourist destination for locals. And it doesn't surprise me because they have a lot of good bakeries, a lot of sweet tooth type of shops there. So cool that they're going out to those type of places to get really delicious snacks even for people coming to the game here. Okay, I'm not sure if these are foods you can get or if they're part of the sweets, but that's pretty fancy. A little fruit tray with figs in it. Brussels sprouts salad, crispy Brussels sprouts. And then over here, I'm guessing it's like a chicken salad sandwich. There's a hummus board, and then some kind of salmon. What is this? Salmon bowl?
Again, thank you so much for coming. Big things that we want to socialize is the $9.99 menu. The new chef's table rotating concept where you have the Indian food and our gyros.
Yum.
There's 6 we're launching. They're going to change throughout the season, which
Chef
is
Molly,
huge.
she's a real deal.
But I'm from me and the chefs who bring all of this to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Parmesan wheels. Wow. Oh my gosh. Matt just told me each one of those Parmesan wheels costs about $3,000. So there's 15 grand over there. Fancy Matt over here. He's a celebrity. Everyone knows him from his vlogs. Go check it out. If you're into Seattle, it's got a lot of like best of Seattle type of videos on YouTube. Tell me about the mascot. What's he supposed to be?
I think it's supposed to be the troll underneath the Fremont Bridge.
Oh.
You would have thought it would have been a Kraken though.
Yeah, no, right.
Or a pirate.
Everybody, Kraken, you can't see the Kraken, right? That's what makes it mysterious.
It's all a mystery to me. It's all a mystery. But they serve the Parmesan pasta at the games?
They're not doing this at a game.
You don't think so?
If anything, it might be in a suite. But
Oh yeah, probably. One of the cool things about this stadium is they have a really good VIP service and amazing suites. In fact, he was nice enough to bring me to one of those suite experiences, and they've also got elevated food there too, which of course that's obvious, but yeah, like this kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, It's a troll.
I seen you scrap it up with Biz before.
And then, are they going to have this at the stadium during the game? Oh, this is a party gift? Well,
they do the smoke drinks though.
don't mind if I do. There you go. This year, Kraken, we're going to make it to the playoffs again. It was a good year when we did. Hey, thanks for the gifts too, by the way. Bye. Climate Pledge Arena. I'm sure I'm gonna check out a game or two, but yeah, good eats. I wasn't able to try the pizza because I left in a hurry. Matt gave me some of his goodies. Obviously, if you're a Kraken fan, you should just go no matter what. Go hungry, that's what I'd say. Delicious food. Thank you, Kraken.